Hi everyone, my name is Lou and I'm here to tell you all about Brogdale CIC and all that we do when it comes to the environment. Here at Brogdale CIC, we are passionate about the environment, not only because it's our home and we want to keep it looking good and we want to keep it safe and healthy, but also because we actually know that it has an impact on our mental health and our well-being, which is another one of our passions. Win-win. Now, Brogdale CIC is not the farm, although we do have a college site on the farm, so confused yet? Brogdale CIC is a suite of businesses. We have a post-16 college and we deliver youth work under the names of Swale Youth and Vibe. Craftworks is really good for people who would like small classes, practical work. We have college sites across Swale and Ashford. We really benefit young people who are on an EHCP, but the college is open for anyone to join us. We also deliver youth work under the names Swale Youth and Vibe Community Charity. You might know us from City Board Skate Park. And we also run youth clubs and delivery across Faversham and the Isle of Sheppey. And you may have seen us in your local school because we deliver wellbeing training and workshops. So if you want to know more about being a peer mentor and helping out other people, then get in touch. Because we care about the environment, we do the most that we can to be a sustainable company. So an example of this would be that our Ashford College site is a horticulture site which picks food in season, packages it up and sends it to another college site in Ashford, which is a cafe, and this gets served to the general public. Because we are passionate about the environment, our college courses are things like horticulture and animal care and conservation. We even run a creative craft course which takes inspiration from the natural world around it. These are all practical, skills-based courses. Because we value the environment, we also run gardening clubs, do loads of outdoor skills in our youth clubs, and sometimes even the young people get to take some produce home that has been planted. We inspire young people to be passionate about the world around them. But enough about us, this is about you. Here are 5 ways in which you can create a more sustainable community around you. Number 1, swap shops. Now, I'm not even old enough to remember that there was a TV programme, I think, called it. But this is a great way to keep things sustainable and to keep yourself with a new wardrobe or a new library of books to read or whatever your thing is that you want to swap. When I was at uni, I went to a clothes swap party and it was so fun, and I have often looked to give away clothes and swap them with friends. I love using sites like Depop as well, where you can actually sell your clothes on to another owner that is going to love it as much as you did when you first got it. The same can be done with books. So when you're looking at getting rid of something, decluttering or moving something on, why not offer it out on WhatsApp to your friends first and see if there are any takers? If you're from Faversham, and I know we don't all use Facebook anymore, but there is a sharing community on there that you can put up your unwanted items and I'm sure people would take them. There is also a community wardrobe if you have finished with your school clothes now. Okay, number 2 is to curate your timeline and to think about the people that you follow and whether they're sustainable. We love these companies here and would definitely encourage you to give them a follow. I actually got this from Wyatt and Jack and I love it. It's made out of an old bouncy castle. So if you're going on holiday and is anyone going on holiday this year? But if you have an inflatable that has burst, that you can't use anymore, Wyatt and Jack are a great company that you can send it to. The only thing I think they don't take are the blue and white swimming pools, but there are places where you can send those to too. Number 3, rewear to care. I don't know about you, but the year that has just gone, I have reworn my clothes so much more than usual because there's been nowhere to go. But it is something that I have thought about being more sustainable with the clothes that I have, to care for them better, but also to wear an outfit more than once. Now, of course, if it smells, if it's dirty, if it needs a wash, if it is unhygienic, it's going in the wash. But there are lots of things that I put in the wash just because I've worn them once in that day. Not even for the whole day sometimes. So, being more sustainable, rewear to care. Number 4, and this is where we can get involved. Is there a space of land that you've seen that you would like to build a reflective or a peaceful garden in? Do you know what? Something that I've discovered over this last year is that the outdoors are so important and it really does benefit our mental health. And one of the things that we love to do, and one of the things that we can task our students to help do, is create places of reflection, or just peaceful places that smell amazing because they've got great plants in them, that you can just go to chill out, or you can help us sustain. So if there's something that is a bit of your bag, get in touch. And number 5, collect memories, not things. It can be so easy to just buy and buy and buy, especially when we're bored and there's nothing else to do. This last year, I think I've bought things that I really didn't need just to spice up the day. Collect memories, not things. The biggest thing that I think a lot of us have missed is those connections. So instead of thinking about buying lots of things for people or asking for lots of things, perhaps think about experiences that you can have together. Maybe it's going down to Bet's Hanger in Deal and doing one of their activity days, or getting in touch with Creed. We did axe throwing the last week and it was so much fun. Or maybe having a sleepover under the stars when it gets a little bit nicer and warmer. The possibilities are endless, but I promise you that those are the things that you will hold on to. Those are the things worth keeping, the memories, not the things. It's been really great to talk to you. Would love to hear your ideas of how you can be more sustainable. You can get in touch with us at Swale Youth on Instagram or at Brogdale CIC. We'll see you there. Bye.